In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Display and Touch right away. Now, if you want to manage adaptive brightness, use this switcher next to it to switch it on or off. You can also, just a little fun fact, click on adaptive brightness on the left and manage it from here. The only difference is you can read all of those informations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!